Hey everyone, welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Substack for blogging. So it's a great platform for blogging, especially if you want to build an audience through email newsletters, and I will show you a simple guide to get started. So of course guys, you will need to sign up for the first account, which I just did, to start and create your first publication. So just click on start writing right over here on the top right. Sign up with your email or Google accounts. Choose a name for the publication. This is actually before actually starting the publication. And a short description to let readers know what your blog is about. So for example, let us go sports. Continue. Now guys, you need to customize your blog. Now we need to, and now let us create our publication. Right, continue. Success. Visit the writer dashboard. Let's go. So guys, let us continue. You now can customize your blog. You can click on the settings, upload a logo, and select your colored theme. Choose a custom URL, which I already did. To personalize your blog, set up a subscription options. You can keep it free or offer paid content. Now you're basically ready to write and publish a post. You can click on the new post on your dashboard. So for example, new post, and it's going to be either a text post, video post, audio post, whatsoever. You can after that enter a title and start writing in the editor. Format your text using the toolbar, bold, italics, links, images, etc. Use subheadings to make the post easy to read. Click preview to check how it looks before publishing. Click publish and send to share it with your subscribers. And guys, of course, you can also see your subscribers and your dashboard in here. So you can share your Substack link on your social media and forums. Encourage readers to subscribe at the end of your posts, just like on YouTube. Enable recommendations from other Substack writers to attract new readers. Also guys, make sure to post regularly to keep your audience engaged in your profile and content. And that's it. With these steps, you're ready to start blogging with Substack. Guys, I wish you a happy writing, and I also hope that this tutorial helped you. If it did, press like, subscribe, see you in the next one.